Good morning, students. Yesterday we have studied about the many celestial bodies, and in this series we are going to do next topic, that is constellation. Constellation is a very simple concept. When you look at the sky in the night, you observe few stars create a shape. Few stars create a shape, and that shape looks like a human being or any other object or any animal. These type of shapes are called constellations. These shapes created by stars, made by stars, we call them constellations. For example, Ursa Major and Saptarishi Mandal are important example of constellations. Okay, and next topic is our solar system. Before we do the solar system, I want to explain short history of formation of solar system. Our scientists or researchers, space researchers, have described about the history of solar system. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, 4.6 billion years ago, a huge round of ball of gases, different type of materials appeared in the space, and that gained very fast rotation. It was rotated very fastly. After that, it was cooled and also distributed among the different parts. This is the formation. These parts are our solar system planets and sun. These parts, after some time, they took the shapes of different shapes. Spherical shape, mostly parts got the spherical shape. That's why our mostly planets are in spherical shape. Okay, and our solar system, the head of our solar system is sun. Sun was the center or main part of that ball. Okay, first planet Mercury, second planet Venus, third planet our Earth, we live on Earth, fourth planet Mars, after Mars Jupiter, Saturn, after this in the solar system Uranus, then Neptune. Not only these planets and sun is the part of our solar system, many other satellites of these planets, many other satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets are also the part of our this solar system. All these things in the solar system, they just revolve on their fixed path. They don't change their routes. In simple, we can say all these planets and celestial bodies, they just follow their path, and that path is called orbit. The sun is the head of the solar system. These four planets, first four planets, are made up of solid material. That's why we call these terrestrial planet also. And these two planets are made up of gases. That's why these are gaseous planets. And last two planets are very far away from the earth, sun. That's why they are called ice giants. They are very cool. And as you know, we live on earth. Earth is our planet. And first planet Mercury, nearest to the sun. Second Venus. Venus is the hottest planet also, and we can say brightest star also, another name of Venus. And Earth we live on Earth. This is the too much unique planet because only life exists on this planet. Mars is called red planet, and this is the biggest planet. And now question arises, why life is only on the Earth? Why not on any other planet? Only Earth. Why only Earth? Because Earth has many different and special qualities. Many different and special qualities. That's why life exists on it. First of all, that's why life exists on it.